He did it. He really did it.
So I gotta re-record this entire whole video and let you guys see what was going on. Let me enlarge this. As you guys can see, you can hear me talking in the background, but I entered this trade perfectly off of 55, 75, 25. It wicked up about 50 cents more, ran all the way down here to about $1,100, and I took profit at 1,100. Why did I take profit at 1,100? Because it was with this equal low here that the market started pushing up in the first place. So when we came down to the equal of the first time, you see me get $1,000 and we couldn't break this level. I now know that that is a strong level of support and the market is about to turn, right? So let's give this a quick pause and go over to what the market is doing currently. As you guys can see, I was correct in my estimation to get out. Look at this right here. 55, 75, 25 is when I get in with my 8 contracts. We went up to 55, 75, 75, so 50 cents more. Fell all the way through, which is your last opportunity to get into the downside. And then you have this one over here on the left-hand side for my test trade. This one right here was the confirmation that that's as far as we can go. Third time is a charm. You have to get out. That is your last warning. Boom, we run up to all the way up to 77. And as you can see, we're at 77.50 now. So you gotta know when to hold them, you gotta know when to fold them. We were looking for up to $4,000. We were only risking $800. So we're risking a $2 pullback, which would have put us at about right here where we're at currently, for a gain of $4,000, which would have put us down here below this line right there. But that was a good trade. We're up $1,100 on the day, and we are out of here. I gotta set up my button so that I can click out. All right, so we're gonna start the recording right here. Let me go back to the video. So what happened was the audio was messed up on the video. Just want to show you guys the finish of this trade. Let's go ahead and go full screen real quick. So of course I start my trade recording when I'm pretty much at the end of it already. But all I'm gonna do is move this take profit down to the $1,100 mark, which is going to give me about $1,044 because there's about a $56 charge on 8 contracts. As you guys can see, I enter with the 8 contracts, but I already explained that. Just wanted to let you guys see when the order was closing. You guys can see it came down, and it's going to come right down to this area here. But I leave my thing at the $1,100. I always protect to the body of the candle, not the wick of the candle, because sometimes the wick doesn't trigger, and I want to trigger my modify here. So you see me being patient, perfectly understanding that it's not going to push up yet. Usually you'll get these 3 chances, 1, 2, 3, and then it'll push up. It went up aggressively from there. So if we go over to the interwebs, so we're going to come over here and see if this can go through, because honestly things are bearish in the pre-market, so this might be able to come back down to where this area here, if not a little bit beyond. We will see. It'll be interesting to see if this is the current range right here from 78 down to 66. We hold this level, we can see us break below. Let me unlock it real quick. We hold this level and we can see us break below this 55.66, heading down to the next level, which is 55.77. And as you guys can see, I always have like these blue lines set to let me know the range, and these are different $10 ranges that I can trade within. But we're at 1,044 today, doing good so far in the London session, so I'm happy with it.